Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about the websites that can help you to make easy money daily. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. The first one is make money. By this you can earn money by receiving text messages. So this is basically helping the companies to improve the worldwide communication and all. So based upon the number of messages you receive, the text messages and also the region, so the earning of the money could vary. So you can just get started with this by downloading the APK on your phone and proceeding to the installation. You have to just register your mobile number and you'll be receiving SMS, and you can make money by actually doing nothing. The next one is Amazon Trade-in. In this you can just sell your products of Amazon or any electronic gadgets or video games. You can just send them with the free shipping to the Amazon for reselling it, and you can get Amazon gift cards in return. You can check for those eligible items from the Amazon website. Next one is capital1shopping.com. So this is an extension that you can add to your Chrome. This will be giving you with deals where you can get the cashback, and you can get it also provides you with the coupon codes to get discounts. So all you need to do is you just need to install this particular extension, and that is all. So it will be automatically providing you, whenever you're shopping, it will be automatically providing you with the offers and deals and also the cashback available. Next up is this app on Android or iPhone which is called as Gamey Prizes. In this you can play games and you can earn tickets, and by using those tickets you can just put it in some lottery or some giveaway, and from there you can earn money. And also there will be spin the wheel where you can spin and earn money. After you meet some particular threshold, you can withdraw your money through various payment options. Next up is zapsurveys.com, where you can fill in the surveys and earn money. So this is not an alternative to your mainstream income. This can be something that you can do while you're waiting or in your spare time and can earn a little extra pocket money. So here you can sign up and get earned $2 on your first survey, and these are very short surveys which you can complete the short surveys and earn money. And also you can get some extra rewards for checking in and all. So this is something that you can definitely give a try and checking out. Next up is user peak. So as there are many websites and apps growing out, so there is an increasing demand for testing. So in this particular website you are going to test the websites or an app or a prototype, and you just need to talk aloud and you just need to tell your testing experience by talking. By this you can just earn money, and by becoming an expert in this you can earn even more. You can start by registering into this particular website by clicking on get paid to test, if this is available in your particular country. If you are someone who is fluent in English, you can even go for this particular website, that is Cambly.com. Here you can teach English. So all you just need to do, you don't need any degree in English or any bachelor's in English. You can just start tutoring by clicking on you can just find to teach. Once we scroll down here, we can find this become a tutor. You can just click on get started and fill in the details, and you can start tutoring on Cambly, and you can earn per hour, so you can make it a part-time income. Next is Intellishop.com, where you need to become a mystery shopper. You just need to go to the places and you just need to be pretending like a normal user or the customer to that particular place and check all the environment or the products or cleanliness, and you need to report to this. So this is used to improve the experience, or which is taken by the companies to improve the experience of the customers. So you can register onto this and become a shopper. This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.